Cabin filter is located behind the glove box. Open the glove box. Push in on the sides of the glove box to release the stops and lower the glove box. Unclip and remove the filter housing door. Remove the filter frame by pulling outwards. Clean up any debris in the housing. Remove the old filter from the frame. Install your new AQ1062 filter into the frame. Recommended replacement every 15,000 miles or 1 year. Refer to your vehicle owner's manual for specifications. Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits. Reinstall the filter housing frame. Reinstall the filter housing door. Reinstall the glove box door. Close the glove box.